name's Sarah, and I was just sent an immersion tub from ONLYCARE. This is such a neat idea. I'm an athlete and I'm always looking for different recovery things. And having an immersion tub is just one of those things that when you immerse yourself into the really cold water, there are a lot of benefits to it. And it comes with a patch kit, a drain hose, and an air tank. So let's get this thing put together. This is super simple to put together. It only takes a little bit of time. And if you're not using it, you can put it back in this little travel bag and easy to put away for another time. So here is your actual tub. And then you have a lid for it too, to help keep out any debris or anything. Super simple to do. These just have these little bars. You insert them in through the bottom of the tub here, and it goes up to the top. You've got this nice thick insulated padding on here that will then keep this water cold for several hours. There you can see your drain down at the bottom. So we are going to get this little area on the top filled up with air with our little pump. That's included right here. Now on this valve, you can see it actually is a double valve, the way that it opens and closes. So this would be the way that you would want to let the air out. And to put the air in, if you actually close this part, then you can use this pump and it stays like that, and you're not going to lose the air as you're pumping it. Now I've got that nice and tight. Whenever I pull this out, the air is not flying out at me. So that was a huge benefit to having that little valve the way that they have designed that. So now that is all flush, and then you can see the size of this tub. This is a pretty large tub as far as the size all around. And just for reference sake, gonna get in, I'm 5'11", and this is about how high it goes up on me, just right at the top of my legs. And then to sit in, I mean, this would hold a lot of water to be able to get in here. And I mean, really just enjoy yourself in here. It's got a nice soft padding on the floor, and it does feel very stable all around here. So let's get it filled up with some water and some ice, and we will see how it holds the water. So right here is your drain nozzle that you can stop the flow of water by leaving it this way, or you can turn it parallel with this and it opens it up. Now, if you didn't want your water just to go right here, here you have this expandable pipe that you can hook onto the end of it, and then you can direct your water where you are wanting it to go. But for now, we are going to fill this up, and then we will come back out whenever it's full and add in our ice. I've got the immersion tub completely filled up. It held water great. There are no leaks anywhere in here, and this whole edges are all holding up real nice. Now we have to add in our ice. So now you've got our ice in there. You can let that sit in there. You can add as much ice as you want to have in there. Just make that water real cold, and then you're ready for your soak. Whenever you're done, you can either put this lid on here, wait for next time, so that way you don't have to fill it up all the time. It does have this nice strap around here. It's just right here that tightens, and then you can pull this little thing right here, so that way the wind won't take it off, and now that is on there. And it'll also help keep that insulated too by keeping that insulated lid on there. Now whenever you are ready to drain it, you just have to turn this little knob and your water comes out.